look how natural that looks. That is what the parting space is looking like. Because this is my hair. Like, what about it? Who gonna check me? Y'all, so this is the wig. The wig is actually pretty secure on my head. This is a 13 by 6, so it is a lot of party space. Like, look at that. Realistic, unclockable 13 by 6, honey. You can't tell me nothing, baby. And it's beginner friendly. I decided to go ahead and add some light curls to it. This is a kinky texture unit, guys, so the curls aren't gonna be like held really, really tightly, but you do get a very, very nice definitive style.